Welcome to Teacher Edsby Bootcamp. This is Roger Bright. Although we've switched over to Canvas for day-to-day grading, Edsby is still the official record of grades for Hillsborough County schools. It will remain so through the rest of the year, and we'll switch over to Canvas, hopefully by next year. That means that for progress reports and report cards, grades have to be transferred over from Canvas to Edsby. Now, you're not transferring all the grades. You're only transferring over what the current overall grade average is for each of your students for each of your classes from Canvas to Edsby. This video will show you the easiest way to do it. Start by opening up your gradebook in Canvas for each of your courses. You can minimize this screen until you need to use it later. You can print the current grades of your students for each of the courses. Or by pressing Actions and then pressing Export, you can send them to an Excel file. Now that you have your grades, you need to create a place to put them in Edsby, and that's going to be real easy. Start by going to your home screen and select any one of your classes by left-clicking on it in the title column. Then left-click Assessment to create a new assessment. Create a new unit and assessment named Quarter 1 Grade. It doesn't really matter what type of assessment you choose, so for simplicity's sake, I just chose Assignment. It really doesn't matter what you put for the due date either, so I just left the default for today. Then set the assessment value at 100 points. Cross-post this assignment to all of your classes. It doesn't matter if the other classes are the same or not. Here you see I am cross-posting to both my Civics and Emerging Leaders classes. All you need is an assignment in each one that is a 100-point assignment that you can transfer the grade over to. Once you've done indicating which classes you wish to cross-post over to, left-click Save. With your grades from Canvas in front of you, you can now go to your first class and left-click Gradebook. At this point, simply transfer your student's current Quarter 1 grade from Canvas to the Quarter 1 grade assignment you made in Edsby. If your student's Quarter 1 grade is not an integer, don't worry. You can put in tenths of a point and Edsby will take it. For my 7th grade team, your grades need to be up to date in Edsby by noon on Thursday, September 24th. To print your progress reports, go to your home screen on Edsby and scroll down until you see the menu in the lower right corner. Left-click My Students. Then select your homeroom classes by left-clicking upon them. Here you see there are two. That's because my homeroom is an elective with both 7th and 8th graders. So technically I have 2 homerooms and I want to print both of those up. You'll probably only have one, but in case you have 2, this is how you do it. After you've chosen your homeroom, left-click the down arrow in the upper right corner. Depending on your settings, you may need to scroll to the right to find this. Then select Progress Report from the drop-down menu. Your progress reports will now appear on the screen. Before printing them, click the down arrow in the upper right corner next to the printer icon and select Secondary Interim Report. This will cause the sign and return language as well as a comment section to be printed on each report as well as the student information. Now press the printer icon in the upper left corner. To save printer ink, please open the Destination drop-down menu and select Save as PDF by left-clicking upon it. After you've selected Save as PDF, left-click Save. Name the file whatever you want and left-click Save. Save it to a thumb drive so you can take that drive to the copier to print the reports. Print 2 copies of each progress report, one for the students' parents to keep and one for them to sign and return to you. Be sure to distribute the progress reports in Friday's homeroom period with instructions that the signed copy is to be returned in homeroom the following Monday. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Bye.